Soak for 4 to 5 hours. 1 cup white lentils. 1/2 cup water. Grind well until it makes a smooth paste. Beat well for 6 to 7 minutes. It's perfect when it floats on water. 3 tablespoons corn flour. 1/4 teaspoon orange food color. Mix well. Piping back. One cup sugar. 1/2 cup water. 1 pinch orange food color. Cook on medium flame until sticky. Low heated oil. Fry on low to medium flame until crispy. Dip in sugar syrup for 2 minutes. Garnish with almonds.